Keep an eye on the Supreme Court this month as it prepares to release a flood of major decisions before adjourning for the summer. Each year, the SCOTUS closes down around late June, early July, and reopens again in October. As that deadline approaches, there are many cases to be decided. Just this morning, June 5th, the Supreme Court announced 3, which I will briefly review. The first decision was in a case of reverse discrimination. A straight woman alleged that she experienced reverse discrimination in hiring at her job with the Ohio Department of Youth Services. The lower courts declared that she did not provide ample evidence to support the suspicion that the defendant is that unusual employer who discriminates against the majority. While the Supreme Court made no comment about whether or not she was subject to reverse discrimination, it did remove that additional stipulation added by the lower courts and sent it back to be discussed. The Supreme Court unanimously held that the extra evidence requirement was not permitted by anti-discrimination laws. This will likely open the door for more lawsuits in the future related to reverse discrimination. The next Supreme Court decision addressed a Wisconsin religious tax exemption that was denied to a Catholic Charities Bureau because they didn't operate primarily for religious purposes, nor reserve their services for Catholics only. The justices ruled unanimously once again that denying the tax exemption on religious grounds was a clear violation of the First Amendment. The last decision I want to inform you of is between Mexico and the United States gun manufacturers. In a third unanimous vote, the Supreme Court held that U.S. manufacturers are not liable for the damages caused by cartels wielding their weapon. The suit was dismissed for lack of standing because it was founded on a third-party criminal's use of the company's product. Still outstanding are highly anticipated rulings on major issues like birthright citizenship and access to gender-affirming care. What do you think about these decisions and the ones to come? As always, I will do my best to keep informed on these important developments, so please like and follow along if you would like to see more. Thank you!